Hello, I'm Michaela with Keystone RV Company Customer Service supporting Dutchman RV and Crossroads RV. Customers will sometimes ask about obtaining construction diagrams or wiring schematics of our products. In January of 2017, Keystone adopted a 12-volt wiring standard for all products, which identifies each wire using a color code and numbering system. We are the only towable RV company to have such a standard. So if your unit was manufactured after November 1st, 2017, this standard would apply to your unit. A copy of the standard as well as a how-to video on using the 12-volt wiring standard can be found in the owners section at keystonerv.com. Information regarding our construction methods would be considered proprietary information and not made available to the retail public. However, the over 1,500 authorized dealers and service centers in the U.S. and Canada can access this type of information, as well as more than 60 RVDA and RVIA certified technicians on staff, while diagnosing and repairing your RV. And remember, we're always here to help.